The connection between your Grunt object in PowerPoint and your data in Excel is linked to the location of your Excel file. That means if you move your Excel file to a different location or change the name of your file, you might see these red warning icons informing you that the connection has been broken. If this ever happens to you, don't worry, it's super easy to fix. Click on the data connections from the Grunt ribbon. Click on the three dots next to your Excel file, and here you select Change File. Find the location of your Excel file and click Open. Now we have re-established the connection and everything is back to the way it should be.